Yep. That looks like the MAASAI market down there. Word is you can get a lot of things. It's here every day. And you can get a lot of nice things to buy at reasonable prices. Now the Two Rivers Mall is huge. It's massive, 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 and they have all the brand shops. But the MAASAI market down here, but you know, things must be a bit, you know, over here what?
Things must be a bit more expensive.
Oh, a bit more expensive than where we were before, yeah. But less expensive than what's in the mall, though. No?
Yeah, slightly.
Slightly. So these over here, the MAASAI market over here is going to be a little bit more expensive than city market.
Yes.
Okay, downtown.
The up market.
Because where we are, it's a bossy place, a studio place, a up the place, don't it? All right, we're gonna walk through people. We can see what I go on.
The things that they were dancing, shaking.
They're nice. Oh. Alright. So ladies, when I don't want to the African print this and African print that, this is where it is. Right? So the quality cloth them here. Well, these are really blankets, right?
Yes.
But you don't know the print them, you know?
Right.
This is the famous MAASAI print. And thing, yeah. This is where you come for buying and
I usually hear you call somebody pretty pointy or something. Tell her. Sandals.
What? Who?
Pretty pointy or something. What's
pretty punchy?
Yeah, ma, pretty punchy.
So what you saying to pretty punchy? What you saying to pretty punchy now?
She's very famous online when you come live.
When I come live, pretty punchy is very famous online, right?
Yeah, I see. So.
Do you know that she doesn't know how to cook porridge though?
Porridge?
Yeah, pretty punchy. She don't know how to cook
just
porridge.
Water?
Yeah, when she try to cook, how you cook porridge?
She doesn't know how to cook porridge.
No, how do you cook porridge?
Porridge.
Yeah, how you cook porridge?
You know, I boil water.
Yeah.
I mix flour, you know, aside.
Right.
The consistency.
Right.
And then I mix in the
and then you put
water.
in the thing. How do you make porridge now, Frida?
You put water in a boiling pot.
Right.
When it's not boiling, but it's hot.
Yeah.
You get another extra cup.
Yeah.
You mix the flour in a separate cup.
Yeah.
Then you pour in the boiling water.
Right.
Slowly, in bits as you stir. In bits as you stir.
Yeah.
If it's too thick, you add milk to dilute it, or you add more water.
Yeah.
Yes. But
right.
you must make sure the water is not super hot.
Right. You see, all of that though, pretty punchy don't know that though, you know.
We'll make a video.
You have to make a video for her because when Pretty Punchy tried to make porridge, it come out like yellow pea. Yeah, it come out like yellow urine because she tried to make cornmeal porridge and it's a disaster, you know.
We'll do a video.
You have to do a video to show her. We're going to do a video and we're going from all the way from Kenya and we're going to send it to her.
Yes.
Because this is like saving her life, you know. Okay. No, why you guys laughing? It's serious. And thing, it's terrible on her. It's terrible on her. Blessings, my brother. We're just walking around, you know. Huh? Now we're just walking around first, you know.
Rasta man.
Where you see that? Okay, me see it. I tell you know about Rasta. Alright, some nice artwork over here so now. And again, people, we are in the MAASAI market at Two Rivers Mall. I like that picture there.
again here they have more varieties of things than
Huh?
where we were. They have more varieties than where we were.
Okay,
Because of the
that
clientele that comes.
because of the clientele that comes here.
Yes.
Okay.
Like where we
Caribou.
were, you will not find these.
Huh?
Where we were, you will not find things like this one.
Ah, you could see that there's a different quality, right? Right.
You will not see dangari with a bit of African touch.
Right. Right.
You
Right.
take a normal, even this normal linen, they just do something with the pockets
Right.
to give it an
Right.
African touch.
Right. Huh?
You can come just inside.
No, it's okay. I bought two. When I come back, I might come back and buy the little bracelet, those.
What about the
No. Huh?
Masai room?
What is that?
Masai room.
What is it?
It's a Masai room.
A Maasai what?
Room.
What's a, what them call a Maasai room?
Second, this was a, I don't know how symbolic it was to the second president of the Republic of Kenya, Daniel Moi. He never used to put this down. It's a room. It's like,
Well, it's a what?
it resembles, you know, how can I say? Cut.
Leader system. It's a leader system.
Got lost.
It's a what?
Leaders.
A leader. It's a leader staff. A leader staff. Okay.
Moi,
But it's a room?
Rungu.
Rungu.
Tonight it is known as the Rungu ya Nyayo.
Rungu and Yahweh.
Rungu is that one. Nyayo is Moi.
Moi.
Yeah,
Second
so
president.
Rungu of Moi. Rungu is that one.
Rungu of Moi.
Moi used to have it everywhere. Everywhere you
So
went.
what is it called?
It is Rungu. Rungu. R-U-N-G-U.
R-I-U?
R-U.
R-
R.
R-
Ru.
R-U?
N-G-U.
N-G-U. Rungu.
The second president. So
Oh.
put it down.
Okay.
So Moi used to go with it everywhere.
Oh, Moi. Okay.
So now it has found itself in the market.
Okay. So how much y'all one of them now? How much?
Shilingi ngapi?
Begani. Eh? Eh? You're talking soft. You talk loud. I say, Begani. Eh? Huh? 2,000? Ah, man, come on, man. Huh? A what
Bei ya
price?
kuongea.
Bei ya kuongea.
Bei ya kuongea.
Negotiate.
Negotiate? Bei ya kuongea. Huh?
You can come just around.
Huh?
Bei ya kuongea.
Oh, no.
He
Okay.
says 2,000 and you say your price.
Okay, I tell you my price, but I'm going to tell you my price and I can't move from my price, okay? Okay? So I'm just going to tell you one price. Okay? All right? Bei ya kuongea, right? Bei ya kuongea. I'm negotiating here. All righty. I want 3 for 4,000. Oh, he has to call sister. He has to call sister. Oh boy, it's not. I don't think it's good when you have to call sister.
It's good.
No, it's not good.
Nothing can go wrong in Kenya.
Nothing can go.
Matata.
Hakuna matata, all right? Okay? 3 for 4,000. Okay. I'm gonna get these for my kids. For my 3 kids, okay? So one is for Zion, one is for KJ, and one is for Jide. All right, let me see now.
This has got Kenyan colors.
Kenyan colors, we want that one. Yeah, you pick the one for my daughter. Pick the one for. That one is for who? Huh?
Choose this one for the daughter.
For the girl, this one.
Okay.
No, I was a bit biased. No, I wanted to
Huh?
give the girl this one.
Okay, that's for the girl.
Which one is for the girl?
This one.
No,
Kenyan.
this one.
That one is for. That is one for Jide, right?
This for the girl, this for the boy.
This for boy, and then no. I said we have to
2.
No. Give me this darker colored. Oh, this and this is the same thing, though. Wait, this and this is the same thing. No. Give me this one. right. So we got 3.
Yeah.
And I'm going to have to explain the significance to them. All right. Huh? No, what?
This one does not have those shakers. Why?
Oh, they don't have. Oh, we need. No, just got to have the shakers. Got to have the shakers. It's got to have the shakers. Else my daughter won't have it. That's a shaker. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see that, people? That's 4,000 shillings. Huh? He's gonna put them in a bag for me. Okay. How much is that? Is that too much? Is that 5?
No.
Is that 5?
Just count.
Okay, it's 4. Okay, I think okay. That looks like 4. Huh? No, that's fine. I'm just gonna get those. I'm just gonna get those.
Can we see more variety of this?
More varieties.
More variety of what?
The same shop.
Of what?
The same shop.
No, I was saying rungu, like those ones.
No. She was trying. She was showing something else.
Rungu.
Just the rungu. Rungu, we are rungu today.
Rungu peke yake.
Rungu, we are rungu today. If you guys come here to shop, they got everything here.
See this?
What was that? What's that, Ed?
Necklace.
The earrings.
Okay.
The funny earrings.
Oh yeah, I love these are I'm in the USA, like in New York, places like New York, they wear these a lot. Women love these, you know. When they're wearing their African print and all these things. And see, you got all these bracelets here.
What about the Maasai shuka? The Maasai shuka.
The Maasai shuka.
Yeah.
No, I have one already. I have one already. I bought too much stuff. I don't even have space to take them back. You know? That's not really true. But what's that?
That's a lie.
Yeah. You know, that remind me of one of my friend in England. She named Red Ross. Gayan, are you that, you know? See it there? Red Ross. Red Lion. And if you know your thing set, I want to them. Step out upon them. All right.
So much.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you, miss.
Okay, thank you too.
All right, cool. Asante sana. Karibu. No. Are those chests? Are those chests there?
Yeah.
Oh. I know.
Checking is free, bro.
No, I know, but
Okay, and maybe the kimono. Maybe something like this.
Okay, Costas.
eh?
Costas.
No. Oh, that's a nice dress. I know, but
One size.
huh?
One size fit up.
One size fits all. Okay.
Something like this.
So that can fit.
Have different colors?
Huh?
They have different colors.
I know. I was just looking at it. Now there's these ladies. There's these ladies called the Ants Nest crew, and nothing fits them.
And something, yeah? Oh, your
These
wife.
women,
Yes, they have
not my wife, but you have these women. They're from the Ants Nest crew. Nothing fits them.
Why?
I don't know. Everything they put on, it just doesn't fit them. That's
They are
it.
big or they are small?
Huh?
They are big.
If they're big or small,
We have
they're neither big nor small. They're just weird in shape, you know. They call them the Ants Mess crew. Ants Mess ladies.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and it's rough on them. It's terrible on them. Huh? That looks nice. And oh, look at you modeling. Go on, girl. That's nice. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. I like. Give me that turn again. Give me that turn. Give me that. Wow. No. How much are the chessboard?
Another different colors?
Huh? I know, with the smaller one. Huh? How much? Oh, 10,000. Oh, yeah, that kind of price. No, I'm just. No. It's okay. It's okay. I'm really just walking around. No, I'm really just walking around. Look at you. Whoa. Huh? Promoters?
You buy from them, that's what it is.
Oh, okay. Welcome. Did he say Karibu Sana?
Yes.
Karibu, what does that mean? Welcome, Karibu Sana. Karibu Sana. These are spares, okay. Oh, you can't take these on the plane though. Oh, you pull it apart and put it, okay.
Yeah, it's easy to carry, easy to get a suitcase.
Okay.
Luggage,
Was that a MAASAI spear?
Yeah, this is a MAASAI spear. And also have small knives, so MAASAI knives, like this one. This is a MAASAI knife.
Wow.
No one can tell. It's like a baton knife.
Oh, okay.
MAASAI. Also have another one, Madiokore for MAASAI.
Oh yeah, Frida, you would take out the knife. I'm telling you, man, don't play with Frida. You see Frida looking all nice and sweet. You see what Frida go for, Frida like, let me see that knife there. Yeah, and look when you feel like the blade. Yo, Frida is no joke, man. Frida is no joke. You see Frida hold the knife? You see she hold the knife? Huh? What?
Because I'm in the kitchen.
Okay.
Yes.
Sure, Frida, that's kitchen that you're thinking about. Sure, Frida, you want to do damage to somebody, man. We know that. You want to hurt someone.
In the kitchen.
Huh?
When you go to the bush and you're eating meat.
When you go to the bush and you're eating meat?
Yes, in Kenya,
Oh, you need, oh.
a man should have this.
A man should have that.
Yes.
Oh, so is that a thing to like go to the bush and eat meat? Okay.
In a man's car,
Right.
there should be this.
Okay.
Should be this.
Oh, in his house? Did you say? In his car?
Yes.
His car?
Yes.
Why?
Security.
Oh.
Notorious
Give you that right.
Huh?
Notorious motorists.
Okay.
We deal with them.
To deal with them case, yeah. And thing. Make them understand themselves.
When you go somewhere and the people are eating meat,
Yeah?
Yeah.
They pull that out.
you just pull yours and you cut.
Every museum has to have this, so when you gather around,
Right.
just remove yours. You don't borrow someone else.
Right.
You have yours with you.
Well, probably out, something like that. No, you see that down there, so.
Yeah.
There are these women in the United States. They're very dangerous.
Yeah.
They're very dangerous women. They call them the Ants Mess Crew. Have you ever heard of them? No. They're very dangerous, and they don't like certain men, and they go around and they cause serious harm on men. And you have to be able to defend yourself from them. Yeah.
Then as a man, you need to be already cautious.
Yeah, and they have this whole. No, that's true. I don't need a knife for them, but probably one of those big things there with what's it called? Rungo.
Diokore.
Eh?
This is Madiokore.
What?
Madiokore.
Matiokore.
Yeah,
A MAASAI club. Matiokore. Yes, something like that. And just Matiokore the shit out of them. Yeah, what?
Big things are going.
When you say big things are going, when you have that big things are going, Ants Mess Crew can't do you nothing. When you say what? When you say bomber them. Yeah. Just bomber them, yeah. When them go on with them foolishness, you fix them business, down. You lick out them blood clot, down. But yeah. Make them know. Ansness come on and listen. And hear the general attack. I make you not see it now, you don't tuck it now your waist right.
This how you hold it like this.
You hold it like that, that's so.
Yeah, you put like
Yeah.
this one, man.
Yeah.
You feel me, man?
Yeah.
So you walk on the street, no man bring no bomb clot to you.
No.
I tell you so.
Yeah, no.
Don't bring no bomb.
No man bring any bomb. So if the Ansness crew see me with that now, them would have to just chill.
Man, they run.
They run.
They see, they feel, they run.
No, but they got one in it named Mama Ants, and she go like she's the baddest. Mama Ants, like what you think about Mama?
You fear Mama Ants?
Mama Ants, yeah.
Mama Ants, you fear Mama Ants?
Mama Ants?
Yeah, you fear them?
If I fear Mama Ants, no, I don't fear her.
They only need something like this, man.
No, something like this, though. And whop up her clot, though. Big things. And how much is that?
This I give 3-5 pounds.
3-5, no man, that's too steep. You're going to make Mama Ants beat out my clot, man. That's too steep. That's too steep. That's too steep. No, you're going to make Mama Ants batter me, man. You know what I'm saying? That's too steep. That's too steep. That's too steep. You understand? Man, I don't know.
I'm telling you, this is a big thing.
What name?
Sorry?
What that name?
Madiokore.
Eh?
You know Madiokore?
No, what that's name again?
This one?
Yeah.
Madiokore. It's called
Madiokore.
Yeah, Madiokore.
Madiokore.
Yeah, this you hit once, you send them to ICU.
You send them to ICU.
I'm telling you, man.
Yes, man. Make them go cuddle up with their mother.
I'm telling you, and I have different.
Yeah.
I have this design, I have also like this one, so.
Mm-hmm.
You feel me, my guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So your price, you get your nice product.
Me no.
No, come through
And the thing is, I don't know what I do with that, you know.
You get to have this one as a leader. This one you get to have this one. Also, this instead of hitting, also resemble as a leader.
As a leader.
Yeah, when you hold this one, everybody have to listen to you.
Listen to you and thing and
You
whatever.
got to speak the wisdom to them.
Speak the wisdom. So this a leader thing.
Yeah, man.
Maruka. Wait.
Madiokore things.
I need to try to remember.
Madiokore things.
Madiokora.
Yeah, Madiokore.
No, Madiokore. You say.
Madiokore.
Madiu? Kole or Kore? Kore. Madiokore. Madiokore. All right.
Matthew.
Yeah? Matthew Kore. Madiokore. Madiokore. Leader. So you know some man for have one of them they still, you know.
Yeah, man. You have to think like this one. This is perfect for you, Papa.
Huh?
This one good for you. Hold it, you feel the size and the weight.
No, I think if I hold it, I'm going to have to pay for it. That's the
You have to
thing.
hold it. You don't have to pay for it.
Hold
You
on.
have to feel
But
it.
what's this thing here? What's this thing here? What's this thing? No, what's that here?
The wood, now this one is ebony.
Ebony.
Yeah, it comes with 2 colors. So this is the other color.
Oh.
So it has 2 colors.
It have 2 colors.
Yeah, man.
You hear him just say? Him say, yeah, man. Him say, yeah, man. You been around some Jamaican. Of course, them bumbo clot there and all these things. you know, where did you learn those Jamaican stuff?
Reggae music.
You love reggae music?
Yeah, man.
Why, Jano. You love reggae music?
Big thing.
All right, see. Why, Jamaica owes so much to our reggae singers and things as ambassadors to the world, you know?
Kenyan, you're bouncing off reggae from Jamaica.
Yeah, that's what my friends tell me, that Kenyans love reggae music. Yeah.
These guys are listening, they love reggae music. These guys.
They love reggae music. They love reggae music.
They love
Well, from Jamaica, I just want to say enough respect here. Blessings. Cool. Yeah. No, but you learn about Bumbo Clot and them something in a reggae music. How do you know about that? You had a Jamaican girlfriend or something?
I wish so.
You wish? What you say, what? Pum Pum Paradise. No, my general, no. What you say? Big things, yeah. Jamaican woman, them a Pum Pum Paradise. What you say? When them do, when you say toi, when them toi. That I sort out down. When them do the something down.
Yeah, man.
And they say they're good like that.
I'm telling you.
Lord Jesus, I think. Boy,
For real, my guy.
you think me, what's your name?
I'm Robert. They call me Robert like
No, Agroba.
Robert. Like
No, but what is it? No, I want to know your name.
Robert. Robert is my name.
Robert.
Yeah, like
No, but what is your name though? Name.
my name.
Yeah.
That's what I'm telling you.
That is your actual name?
Yeah, man.
Robert.
Yeah, like Nesta Mali.
Oh, Robert. So a Robert.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Robert.
Yeah, that's
For real?
They call me that.
They call you that. But what is it? You have another name?
Second name.
Guitar is my name.
What?
Guitar.
Guitar. You see, that's the name I wanted.
Name.
Yeah, that's the name I want to know. I don't want to know about Robert. No disrespect to Robert. I want to know Guitar, because that sounds like that is your Kenyan name, your African name. Guitar. Guitar. That is the name I work with.
Guitar.
Guitar.
I'm lion also.
You what?
Lion.
Lion.
Yeah, man.
See?
From the jungle, you know.
Right. What ethnicity are you? Like Kikuyu or
My
Law?
star is Leo. So Leo stands for lion. My star. You know, you feel the star, you know?
No, but what?
Yeah.
What?
Kikuyu.
Is Kikuyu.
Kikuyu.
Yeah.
How do you know it's Kikuyu? How do you know?
We're singing together.
Oh, the name make you know. Oh, really? So the name, when you hear somebody's name, you know you have a.
From the tribe, yeah.
Oh.
Maybe when they speak the accent.
Huh?
Feel the accent.
And maybe when they speak the
When they
accent.
speak, you can't just pick up the accent.
When we told you there are no L's, everything is R.
R, no L's, one of those.
Ah, this is a team now.
The community.
Oh, okay, everything is R.
For Swahili,
Yeah, Swahili. Swahili, yeah. That is interesting. Okay, so again, now, what is the symbolism of the thing? It's a leader.
This one is for the leader
For the leader
and also for the protection.
and protection.
Yeah, man.
Okay. So again, I can use that to just like whop up mama hands when she steal my things, right?
To me, you swing.
Swing it.
Just
Swing it. And fix our business down.
They bring their bombo festival.
Yeah.
Clap them.
Yeah. Well, I ain't gonna do it because you know I know her husband. I know her husband, and her husband real, and Anthony would come look for me. You know? No, Anthony would fly all the way over here and get his own of this and buy a dozen of this and come back and beat me with the whole dozen of them for his wife. So I probably need to think twice about that, you know, so that I do not incur the wrath of Anthony.
You scare them too.
Scare them, yeah. But me use it for scare. All right, and tell you, let me see where I go. No, but I want the other one without the brown spot.
Without the brown.
Let me see. Is the same one there?
Yeah, man.
Let me
Or
see,
black,
turn
bit
it.
of black.
Eh?
The black and the
Yeah.
you know.
The black one there?
Yeah, the black one for good.
Yeah.
For real, my guy.
Well, let me feel it, though. Let me see if the weight. What kind of...
Lighter the better.
No, it's firm for you, you know. It's firm for you, man.
For nice one.
Yeah. Ed, put your knee out here a little bit. Let me test it. What? I just want to test it. No, I want to see its crippling potential. Right? No? Yeah, I want to see if this thing works. Come on, Ed. Give me your knee. Come on, put on your knee. Come on, put on your knee. Put on your knee. Put on your knee. All right. All right. I think this is. All right, then cool. I think I'll go with that. All right, but here is it. What the thing again? The negotiating thing. Where you go?
Pesangapi.
Eh?
Pesangapi.
Pesangapi, right? Pesangapi. The fitanuso. No, okay. I can only take it if it's 3. Sour. Okay, all right. Sour. That's okay. All right, sour.
Would you like me to pack for you some?
Huh?
Would you like me to pack for you some?
Oh, yes, please. All right, then, cool.
Thank you.
Okay, that's it. I'm not going to stay long here because I may go broke. Huh? Oh, no, Huh? No. Not gonna eat anything more now. I'm gonna leave. Aile. Aile Selassie. Yeah, we'll go that way there. Yeah, we'll go get something to eat, and then I got a whole bunch of work to do anyway. But
This guy was funny.
No, he's cool. No, frankly, he put in the work. He deserved a sale. He was mad cool, you know. He deserved a sale, you know. I have to support him. And I'm going to read up on the symbolism of that thing too, you know. And I don't want to keep a MAASAI spear around my house because I might want to use it when I get mad at somebody, and that's not a good idea, all right? So, you know, but I'm definitely coming back to Kenya. And when I come, I'm going to go down to Mombasa too. I'm coming to Nairobi and Mombasa, you know?
Mombasa, you know, even the food, the delicacies, expensive. Bro,
the what?
Different. The food.
The food.
Totally
Different from
the food.
Yeah.
The food. They use more seasoning down there.
Yeah, they're doing it in culture. They have
Swahili. They have a lot of Swahili touch in there.
They have a lot of what?
Swahili touch.
Swahili touch.
In their food, their culture.
Oh.
Everything they do is too much in their Swahili. Their food is.
Oh.
And again, here we say kuingia.
Kuingia.
Going to Mombasa is easy. Coming out is very difficult.
Nashukuru. Huh? Nashukuru.
Yeah, that's a new one.
Nashukuru. Okay. Karibu. Akurigu. But would that go? Nashuku. Nashukuru.
Yeah.
Nashukuru. Yeah, you're grateful. Nashukuru. All right. So, respect my brother. I'ma love your vibes, all right? I'ma love your local linguistic tribute to my country and culture. Big up yourself. You see? Gitao. I'm gonna tell a lot of people are gonna see you now.
I remember you, my guy from Haile Selassie.
Well, Haile Selassie is really Ethiopia. You just say Rastaland, say Bob Marley land, Reggae land, Nesta. All right, respect. Gitao, my brother. Big up yourself. All right, maximum blessings. Cool.
Aire, brother.
Aire. Kimani. Eh? He's a Kikuyu. Kimani is a Kikuyu name? Oh, okay.
And you what's a Kikuyu name?
Huh?
Yeah.
A Kikuyu, Kimani.
And you what's your Jamaican name?
What's my Jamaican name? Yeah. Well, my name, them call me Ragashanti.
Ragashanti.
Yeah, but you can't just call me Raga.
It's a nickname.
No, well, I made it my real name. My name is Kingsley Ragashanti Stewart. But, you know, Jamaica and British, so we have similar histories in that, you know, we are former British colonies. So, like, you have names like Robert and those names here. His name is Ed, which is short for Edward.
Your name is Jamaican?
Eh? No. No, he's from here. No. But he looks Jamaican though, right? He looks Jamaican though.
He's black.
Yeah, he's black. But you say him look Jamaican. Oh no, he's Kikuyu, right? He's Kikuyu, right? 100%. You know, he's Kenyan.
So this is your first time in Kenya?
Yes. First time. Huh?
What is your mission?
It was just on my bucket list. Like, I have these countries that I, you know, want to visit and learn about them and thing. And Kenya was one of them, you know.
Okay.
So.
Do you have a family?
If I have a family? Yes, I have a family.
You have wife and children?
Yes.
And where are they?
They're in New York.
They're in New York, right?
Yeah. Oh no, that's where I live in New York.
You live in New York?
Yeah. Okay.
That's very good.
Yeah.
So this is what you do for a living. I don't know if you like this kind of things.
No, I see them.
You have the paintings.
Right. No, but
You have Africa. Have you ever seen a picture of Africa before demarcation?
Before what?
Africa before demarcation.
Before.
It's Africa 1590. It's Africa 1590. It's made
Africa
of-
1590?
Yeah, Africa before demarcation.
Before demarcation, which is what the Europeans did.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, you know, and this is the new Africa. You see?
no, I don't want to see the new one. Let me see the one before.
Yeah.
What was that? There's a lot going on there, right?
Yeah. That's Africa before demarcation. Because you want to know the history of Africa.
AD 1590.
Yeah.
Oh, but I can't even read some of those stuff, though.
Yeah, because it's old.
Oh. Can you read some of these?
No, you can, you see like now, you see like, this is Zanzibar.
Oh.
Yeah, you see. You know, the white man tells us, I don't know if it's true, that it happens a very big earthquake. And then and then it became like this.
Then it became like what?
You see now the shape of Kenya, it's like this.
After that,
After the earthquake, because how did you know the shape was like this? So
No, but is that the same shape here? As that?
This is before demarcation.
Yes, but what I'm saying, it's the same shape, though. Isn't it the same shape,
Kenya
but
is not
it's
the
just a
same.
different name?
No, Kenya is not the same shape here. Here they say Africa before demarcation. Now this is after demarcation.
No, but what I'm saying, it's the same land, though, but they just put different borders, though, right?
Yeah.
Right.
They say there was a very big earthquake in history.
Who said it was a very big
The
earthquake?
white man.
The white man said there was a very big earthquake.
So that's why the maps are look like this.
Oh,
Like the shape of Kenya is like this.
oh.
You understand what I'm saying?
I don't believe that.
Yeah, but that's what they tell us.
That's what they tell, yeah.
That's what they tell us in school. There was a very big earthquake.
A very big well, it could be earthquake changes. Some earthquake does indeed change.
That's
Do
why they
indeed
have
change some of the landmass.
That's why they have this kind of shape.
Oh,
That's why you can tell the Republic of Congo. You see like the Republic of Congo. Let me teach you the history now of Africa.
yeah.
You see now the Republic of Congo is big like this.
Yeah?
You see? So how did they know it became big like this? It's because of the earthquake. That's why Congo became big like this. You see like Kenya is this size. Ethiopia is this size.
No, but what I'm saying to you is that before the demarcation, which is when the white man came and made these borders, Africans had their own. They had their own boundaries.
Yeah, they had their
own boundaries
That's what I was saying.
that had nothing to do with earthquake.
But the white man now says after this, that's how it became like this.
Yeah, but probably the white man don't want us to know that he was the one who divided it up in their way for their purpose.
Yeah, that's what.
And then telling, oh, it was an earthquake that caused that. That's why you got to be over there and you over here.
Yeah, that's what, now I can see.
Right, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, and those white men back in those days, they were not nice. And they didn't mean Africans any good. So whatever they produced, you have to be suspicious of it, you know, because it was always for their interest, not for the people of Africa. What that picture with the woman spraying the thing in the child, and what is she doing, man?
She's washing.
Huh?
Washing.
She's washing, but that looks like a ritual, like a way to.
You know, this is a certain tribe.
A certain tribe, okay.
This is done by Chege. Him is called Chege.
Chege?
The one who did this?
Yeah, he's the one.
I'm the one who do it.
Yeah.
Chege. You can explain it to you.
This size,
Yeah?
I have the big size.
No, but what is she doing to the
She's
child?
washing a newborn baby.
Washing a newborn baby.
Yeah, you know, because some area in Kenya know a lot of water.
Right, not a lot of water, right?
Small water.
Small water.
So to utilize the water and to make water warm because it's a small baby.
Yeah.
You put in mouth, then you wash.
Ah, so it's an adaptation to
Yeah.
a small amount of water.
Yeah, it's to survive.
To survive. No, that is interesting.
Yeah.
That is interesting. That is interesting. But you don't know what the name of the tribe is, though.
Me,
You don't know what the name of the tribe
I
is.
know the name.
What is the name?
It's Turkana.
Tukana.
Turkana.
Turu. Turkana, huh? Yes.
You mentioned when I was in town.
Yes. You're right. Turkana.
Like Maasai.
Okay. So, okay. That's interesting. That's interesting.
We have a lot. We have many.
No.
Just to look my vlog. You see, the brother and the brothers. I wanted to show you this board.
Yeah, I saw some of that. And there's some people in the Western world, they see that and they make all these comments and things, but they're not, from.
They don't say.
they don't understand what's going on,
You know, he is looking after the goats.
He's looking after the goat.
And he has a responsibility to look at the goat from the morning to evening.
Right.
No lunch.
No lunch. Right.
So now he's taking the milk from the goat.
Oh, so he has to look after the goat from morning to evening with no food.
No food.
So he has to take milk from the goat in order to.
And it's very healthy.
And the goat milk is healthy?
Very healthy. To be a little man, a little warrior.
Yeah.
You have to do like this.
You have to do that. Okay.
It's African.
Huh?
It's African way.
You're right.
It's our culture. It's not it's not a matter of suffering.
No, exactly. I'm just saying when people from the outside of any culture, they'll see people doing some things and they don't understand it. No. I'm just saying, people will see that and they don't understand it. Right? But somebody like you would have to explain and educate them.
Go tell them this is our culture.
Your culture. Exactly. Precisely.
So, anything you want to say from here? We have a lot.
No, I see you have a lot. You do have a lot. No, I'm just saying I see that you have a lot. I'm about to I don't even know.
And the advantage of this, even if you want to take one piece, they are easy to roll them up. Yeah, it's good also to get a painting. It's good also to get a painting.
Oh?
Yeah, get a painting, you promote your brother from another mother.
Promote my brother from another mother, don't. And when they say promote here, they mean support.
Yes. Yeah.
They mean support.
You get something small and we'll give you very good price.
Even this one for the elders. You see the elders here?
Which one is it?
I want to teach you. Maybe long time ago.
Yeah.
These are our Zay.
And
this is Moratina.
Moratina?
Moratina.
What is that?
A local brew.
A what? A local brew? Something to drink?
Yeah.
Oh, what is it made of?
This is made from, there's
Honeycombs?
honey and some fruits.
Made with honey and fruits?
No, the specific tree. You take them, you mix with the honey and water, you put them, they brew up, then you remove, you call your friends, you drink.
Okay.
Yeah,
is it alcoholic?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Oh, he says, of course. Like what kind of question is that? You think we're going to sit around as men and just drink this thing and it's not alcohol? Yeah, we'll be la vibes. I want me to you. Alcohol in it. But of course, it's organic, natural alcohol.
Yes, natural.
Yeah, natural alcohol. What's the name of the tree?
The tree is called Moratina.
The tree is called Moratina.
Yes.
And the drink is called Moratina. Okay. Also, and then they mix it. They use a tree and honey and thing, and they make this thing.
They're Kikuyus.
They're Kikuyu. The Kikuyus.
Yeah.
He's so proud of it.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's a Kikuyu tradition.
It's our tradition.
Yeah. And what? And
You remember you're told in Kikuyu women take alcohol?
Alcohol. They were the only one who have been allowed to take alcohol.
Who?
Remember Ian?
Yeah, Ian. Yeah.
Said something about Kikuyu ladies.
Yeah.
They were allowed to have a little bit of
Yeah.
Married ones only.
married ones.
Married ones.
The married ones only.
No married.
If you're not married, you can't drink.
When you drink, it's problem.
Because when you drink, it's yeah. when you drink, when the marriage, so that if you're not married, the woman not supposed to be taking it because when they drink, they're going to get problem, Them aisle are going to ride them.
The tradition one.
Yeah.
Tradition ladies.
Yeah.
If you want to get married, you have to be like Mary, You know what I mean?
If you're the children,
You have to be like
Mother of Jesus.
the mother of Jesus,
you have to be like them when you're married,
Before you get married.
before you get married.
So only one man will do the carry on.
Only one man will do the work. Wait. Only one man?
Only your man. Only your man.
Only a man. What? What?
Before marriage,
Yeah.
you need to be a virgin.
You need to be a virgin, right? Okay.
That's why you cannot be allowed to take alcohol.
You can't be allowed to take alcohol because you may go take alcohol and go give away the virginity. And then no, you can't be married now because you lost your virginity.
You pay dowry 100 goods.
The dowry.
Dowry, okay. Oh, who pays the dowry? The husband pays the dowry to the woman's family. And it's about 100 what?
100 goods.
100 goats?
Yeah. If she care, 50.
If she, oh, it's 100 goats, but if she's not a virgin, it's 50 goats. The value. Hold up. You're saying like if she care, what's your word? Care? What?
Kira is like, it's a slang of saying, you see when you're tongue tied.
You know,
don't know what
like
to
you
do.
know.
Right.
Like,
In our
you know,
culture, we don't say everything. We don't say everything. You put everything clear. You kunira can with it. You don't say. You don't,
Wait. Say that. What's that? That is it. You don't say it literally then, right?
Exactly.
You don't say it. You're not blunt with it or whatever. It's said in a kind of code, right?
you don't say everything.
You-
You say,
right.
because you are adults, you say half.
Right.
You don't put everything clear.
Okay, so if she's a virgin,
100 goods.
100 goats.
If she
But
misbehave,
if she go drink that stuff, Martina or whatever it's called, huh? Moratina, and then misbehave and go do dugu, right?
50 goods.
50 goats. Yeah, the dowry drop, because she get.
she has betrayed.
Yeah, she has been.
And the father feels, actually, it's not a good thing because the father feels so bad. He is losing.
Oh, the father feels so bad.
And in our tradition, if you pay 100 for mother, 100 for daughter, you sell.
Right.
No, but not like selling. For example.
Right. It's not
business,
selling, right?
not
Okay.
business. If you pay 100 for mother,
Yeah.
daughter 100.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
But you see now, if she misbehaves,
The value, okay.
Value goes down.
So it looks bad on the family then.
Yeah.
It's like, look, your mother we got 100 for your mother. Look at you. Now we're getting 50. You're getting 50. What's up? Yeah. Yeah.
So that is our culture.
That is.
That's how it is.
Good. Okay. And those are the Maasai jumping right there, right? Maasai, yeah? Yeah, Maasai.
You know, I want to teach you something.
Okay.
Yeah. Because you are in Africa. Were you born in Africa?
If I'm born in Africa?
Yeah.
No, I was born in Jamaica.
Okay, no problem.
But still teach me.
You still me, bro. You still
No, we're descendants of Africans. So.
Yeah.
Yes.
Only Muzungu brought problem. Yeah.
Zungu is a white man.
Huh?
Zungu.
You know
Zungu.
Zungu
Umzungu
is a white man.
is a white man. Umzungu.
Zungu.
Okay. It means white man.
Yeah, white man.
Umzungu.
Here is the Kikuyu women.
The who?
Kikuyu women.
Kikuyu woman. Okay.
If you want to know each of Maasai different communities,
Yeah.
the roofing. You know the house roofing?
Roofing?
Different.
Yes.
The roofing.
Yeah.
Like this one is Kikuyu roofing.
Oh, Kikuyu roofing.
The rooftop. For the Kikuyu is like this.
Oh, I know. We saw it at Bomas. Bomas de Kenya. We saw the Kikuyu roofing at Bomas de Kenya.
For Maasai,
Yeah.
this. For Maasai, like this.
Yes, we saw it. Yes, we saw that. Yes, we saw that.
So this Maasai, this Kikuyu.
Maasai,
Yeah.
and this is Kikuyu.
The roofing is different. If you go to coastal region, it's different.
The roofing is different. We go to the coastal.
Yeah. That is why you can see the difference of housing.
The Costco Rigan where there is it. Watch this. Michikenda. Michikenda. What's up? Michikenda. Yeah. Yeah, well, I remember that because I learned it someplace else, you know.
Before
Yeah. No, in Nairobi at Bomaster, Kenya.
today?
No. Sunday. Was it Sunday?
So you have a
Yeah.
good
So,
memory.
no. Well, yeah. I'm just remembering now because well, part of the reason that the guy was really good. There's a little kid called Ian. Well, I was trying to say kid. He's a grown man, 22 years old, and so forth. All right.
So now I want you, which one? Are you going to buy something?
No. So this is Maasai,
Yeah.
right?
This is Kikuyu.
And this is Kikuyu.
Yeah. This is called dere. Let me teach you. This is dere.
This is called what?
Dere. You know the one for the care is dere.
Dede.
This is called the veo.
Deo.
Veo.
Deo.
Yeah.
Oh. What?
Yeah.
Why is Frida laughing?
I'm sympathizing with you.
Oh, you're sympathizing with me because it's rough over here. But I'm good. No. I'm learning.
Here's a video. He goes and
Yeah,
you
no.
look again. It's true. This is called veo. You know veo is like a portion meat.
A what?
Portion meat. You know portion meat?
No.
Made corn.
Oh, yeah. And we do it in Jamaica, but we got it from our ancestors who were Africans.
Uh-huh.
But so we call it, we say like mata, but you crush the corn in it. Yeah.
The dry
Same
cereals,
thing
yeah?
Yeah.
Dry cereals.
Yes.
Like millet, maize,
Yeah.
more,
Yeah, we do it for corn.
muere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And sometimes some chocolate thing too, but
Yeah.
we do. It's the same. Yeah.
You have a lot to learn from Africa. A lot. You can take like 2 months.
No, I want to.
Yeah.
I want to. No, honestly, I do. I would just love to live, you know. But I have young kids,
Oh, you have that?
young children in New York, you know, and Florida. So,
Ah.
so,
So you have many wives, eh?
huh? What's that?
You have many wives, eh?
If I have many wives?
Yeah, because you said you have some in New York and some in Florida.
have-
But in Europe, only one wife.
Huh? Is
Europe, only one wife, yeah?
if I'm in Europe?
Europe, you only have one wife.
Oh no, this is in New York, in America.
Oh, America.
Yeah.
Only, even America is one wife.
Well, in general, you're only allowed one wife, but there are some white people called the Mormons who are allowed to have up to 4 wives.
Ah, even
But
he-
elsewhere, it's illegal. You can't have more than one wife.
why?
It's called bigamy. It's
What if-
actually, you get arrested and locked up.
what if you agree, 3 of you or 4 of you?
But you have people who practice what they call polyamory, which it means several loves, and they have more than, you know, they're allowed to have more than, well, the men are allowed to have more than one wife. And they have a few women now, small amount, but they're not from a particular ethnic group. They're just doing it themselves, and they will have more than one man or more. But it,
No. Woman, two man?
yeah, or 3.
Ah, no.
Wait, what's wrong with that? No, that's not good. My brother, it sounds like are you okay?
No,
Are you?
it's too bad.
The way you say it's too bad, it rough. It rough, no. It rough.
Even
You
God
can't even imagine that, right?
Even God is not happy.
Even God is not happy.
Yeah.
But God is happy when a man have several wives, though.
He has no problem.
God no. So wait, God has no problem with that, right? No. But if a woman has 2 men, just 2. No.
Only one God, only one Father.
Only one man the woman's supposed to have.
One man, one woman.
Okay. Well, some women in America or
In
England,
Africa,
yeah.
one man, as far as you have many wives and you can feed them, no problem.
You can feed them. That means he has to take care of all of them, right?
All of them.
Right. Good.
Equally.
Good. Equally.
Yeah.
Oh.
You pay dowry, take care of children.
Yeah.
If you have a rod, you share equally,
Yeah.
like that.
Okay.
But for you, that one for you, no.
Huh?
One woman, 2 men.
Oh, with me? No, not me. No. I'm just saying the women who do that.
In Europe, in America.
In America. And Europe, I
America
think.
do even some things I hear they do.
Drink some tea, yeah, drink some tea. Drink some tea, drink some tea, drink some tea. Yeah, the pressure, the stress.
Why they should arrest them first?
They should arrest the woman.
The woman.
Are you serious? They should arrest the woman for having more than one. Okay. Huh?
Now the baby is with the father.
No, the baby is with the father.
Yeah.
And the baby is supposed to be with the mother, though.
But you know, who is the father of the baby is between the
Oh, if the woman has many men, then who is the father of the baby? Oh, well, I see your point, I think. So when you heard that, I have, you know, yeah, that I have kids in Florida and New York, you know.
Maybe have one wife
you
in
probably
New York.
one wife in New York and one wife in Florida. That's what you were thinking.
Yeah.
That's possible, right?
Yeah,
and do I look like the type of guy who might have many wives?
I don't know you, man.
No, but what I'm saying, no, what I'm saying though is, just looking at me, do I look like a many wives guy?
Who, you?
Yeah.
You can be.
You're an African.
What?
African.
I'm an African. Yeah. I'm from you're an African. You can have many wives. Yeah, you can have many wives. No
Even
problem.
in Kenya, you have one.
What?
Even here, you can have one.
What do you mean? I could have a wife in Kenya.
Yeah.
And then have a wife in New York.
Yeah.
And then have a wife in Florida.
Yeah.
And then have a wife in England.
If you can feed them.
If I can feed them, you have to make sure you can feed them.
Yeah, you have to maintain them.
You have to maintain them.
Them and the kids.
But
But
you know what I have to say though? Like some people have a problem with it, and I understand that, you know, people, you know, about a man having more than one wife. But one thing I have to say though, everywhere I've gone, I've been to Ethiopia and Ghana. Now I'm in Kenya. And everywhere I've gone, everybody who has supported this notion that, yeah, a man should be allowed to have many wives. They always follow up that by saying, but he must be able to take care of all of them and the children.
Yeah.
And if he can't do that, don't do it. Don't get involved with that. Don't get involved with that. So any man having more than one woman, you must be taking care of all of them.
You see, like in Tiku tradition.
Yeah.
Because you know the men had a lot of strength.
Yeah.
So they like doing this. So even the wife himself used to look for
Help.
help. He looks for a younger girl.
Look for what?
A younger girl for the husband.
A younger guy?
A younger girl.
A young girl. Oh, the wives will look for a young girl because they couldn't keep up with the men.
Yeah, because the men are very strong.
The men are very strong.
The woman is getting older.
And the woman is getting older, and she can't manage the, you know, the hookings, the dugu. So she would go get a young girl for him.
Yeah, and then the old man will go in there.
And then so the man can be satisfied.
Yeah.
Are you serious? Yeah. Yeah. It's true? It's true. So the woman herself will go get a young girl.
In the old days.
Huh?
Not now.
In the old days.
The old days.
Not now.
Not now, yeah.
Not now. Interesting. Interesting.
easier to get.
No. Now it's easier to what?
Easier to get duku. You know,
Duku?
you know back then it was not
What?
easy to get the kid.
Duku? What? Duku? What?
You know, back then it was not easy to get duku.
Yeah, back then it was easier to get duku.
Because of the one I told you for it.
Yeah, because of the rules.
But
Yeah.
today now they spoil everything.
Okay, so there's no need to marry. You can get duku.
Anywhere.
You can get duku anyway.
It's problem.
All right.
Even these days, the white man can be 80 years, 70 years, and they can come and marry a 22 years old Kenyan girl.
No, I see that all the time. Yeah.
Even today I saw.
Yeah, they marry, you know, and I think some of them are married for duku.
For duku.
For, yeah, good duku.
Duku is everything, man.
Duku is...
You see in the Bible, King Solomon, King David, Abraham, all they went down because of duku.
They went down because of duku. Samson because of duku.
No man is master of duku.
No man is a master of duku. Right? Okay.
You can be master of all the years, but when you meet very good duku.
Good
you bow
duku.
down.
So a woman who can give good duku can rule a man, don't it?
Every white man they come here, they tell you I cannot buy this because my wife she's the boss.
Yeah. Oh.
They say my wife is the boss.
Oh.
Especially in the United States and in Europe. the women are the head.
The women are, yeah. So
the
what do you
man is
think
the-
about that?
The man is the head and the woman is the neck. So the woman is controlling the head.
Oh.
Yeah, in Europe and in America.
So so the good duku from the woman and thing can really control a man.
Yeah. From this history, you can see even from the Bible.
I want to ask you though, right? I have a friend that I know who's a man, right? Because you said like the men here are very strong and competent.
Yeah.
So there's a friend that I know called Dog Bite. That's his name, Dog Bite. We call him
He's
that.
an African American.
Yeah, he's an African black man, yeah, big strong man. But he has problems because he can't duku really good. So, like, what do you recommend? Like he takes, like, because word is that you have all sorts of traditional stuff over here that men take that would make them, you know, can duku really good, you know. Like, what would you recommend that he take? Dog bite.
Yeah, you do it cassava.
Huh?
Do it cassava,
Eat cassava.
arrowroots.
What?
Arrowroots. You know arrowroots?
Arrow roots.
Yeah.
Oh, probably.
No.
No, I don't.
But you know it.
Cassava and arrowroot. Just tell me.
Cassava.
Yeah, no cassava.
Ah, it's very good one.
Cassava is good.
Because
Okay.
if he doesn't know how to nice duku,
Yeah.
the wife, the wife will go out
Yeah.
underwater.
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 What do you mean underwater?
Underwater, and the wife will go out.
She will dive out. No, she will dive out.
Underwater.
Underwater. And gone under.
Duku outside.
They get duku
And
outside.
then she comes and
Yes,
and
yeah.
she just steals.
Yeah, it's a serious problem for him, dog bite. And there's another man called Puss. That's what we call him. So you have dog bite. Like Puss, Puss's language is that his cellular phone has no bars. You get it? You don't get it? No. It's like his cellular phone has no service, no bars. You know the bars? So he's dead. He's dead. He can't do anything. And he's trying to get help, you know.
To visit Kenya.
He needs to visit Kenya.
And then he
Puss and dog bite, they need to visit.
if they visit Kenya, they can get some nice food.
Get
Like
some
gouache,
yeah, some what?
Gouache,
Gouache,
Duma,
Duma,
food like those are
yeah, gouache
Duma.
and Duma. Yeah.
Kohombero. Yeah.
What? Kohembaro.
Is Mandasho problem, yeah?
What?
Mandasho is problem.
Mandasho? What is that? Wait, Frida is dying over here. Wait, what is Mandasho? What is Mandasho? Huh?
Mandash, no power, no power.
No power. No power, no power, no power.
There is here we have a porridge power, uji power.
Porridge power, uji power.
Uji power.
What's in there?
It's an ignition. You take a cup,
Yeah.
it switches on.
Oh, it's an ignition. It take a uji power.
No,
No, I need to buy that. Where is that? Where do I get that to buy?
you should get them that uji. You know fra?
Uji?
Uji. You know uji.
Uji power.
Porridge.
Uji porridge, yeah,
It's a mix
porridge.
of many African food.
Cereal.
Right.
Cereals
Oh, cereal.
Yeah.
Okay.
together.
Okay.
You take one cup.
Yeah.
Your wife will be saying, where have you been?
Yeah. Oh, Uji power. Uji power. I think.
Even and tell him to take secret. Then go there.
Yeah.
The wife
To
will-
secretly take the Uji power. So what's in the Uji power, no?
It's a mixture.
It's a mixture.
It's a mixture
Many ingredients.
of tubers. So you mean like ground produce, ground food, tubers. Okay.
And tell him to take. Don't tell
Take it quietly and don't tell the wife, auntie. Yeah.
Then when he goes there,
Yeah.
But you know, because it has been a long time,
Yeah.
it has to take for a while. So
You have to take it for a while to build up and thing.
build up.
So dog bite and puss, I will put on list there now. They need some Uji power. And they need some other thing to build up back and thing. And, what? And then Pretty Punchy too. This girl, she takes porridge every day. And she's of no use. Right? Every man she's with leave her because she has she's not good with, you know, sort of. No, but this is a female. It's a woman. Pretty Punchy. But she drinks porridge every day, but it's cornmeal porridge that she drinks, you know? She drinks some cornmeal porridge every
Visit Kenya.
What?
Let them visit Kenya.
Pretty Punchy, dog bite and puss need to visit Kenya. Yes, I'm
See
there.
Kimani.
Huh? And see, yeah, and come talk to Kimani, yeah. And Carter, yeah. But Pretty Punchy, she's no use, right? As soon as she said she lay down with her boyfriend and thing or whatever, it's over. She's just like, no use.
Make her useful.
Yeah, what?
We'll make her
You make her useful. Okay, cool. All right, then cool. You would tell her what to take. All right, you would tell. All right, listen, guys. We have to bring you all over here to Kenya. No, I'm serious. Yeah, I'm gonna organize a trip. I do this. Yeah, I do this. Yeah, huh? No, seriously.
We'll take care of them.
They get some good food to build them up and stuff like that, and save them, because Pretty Punchy, Puss and Dog Bite, they need saving. Yeah, they need to be saved. It's really rough on them, you know. Really rough on them.
Without duku-duku.
Without duku-duku.
You're not a man.
You're not a man if you're not duku-duku.
Because when you make a lot of money,
yes,
you need duku-duku.
You need duku-duku. If you work hard and you make money, you need duku-duku for release and thing. Yes.
If you love duku-duku,
yeah.
You're useless as a man.
Yeah. New name for Sato. Duku-duku the thing there. All right, no, seriously though.
So today,
what's the price of that? What's my price?
Which one?
That one.
This for the ladies preparing duku-duku for...
this one, you know, these ladies have...
No, tell me the price and don't give me no lecture. Tell me the price. Why you have to think about it so long?
You know, now we are friends.
We're friends.
Now, I'm thinking about the friends.
No, we're brothers now. We're brothers now. And when I bring my trip back here, what's your name?
I'm Shege. I said Shege.
Shege.
Yeah. Only Kikuyu name.
Kikuya. No, I don't want the European name. I want the Kikuya name. Shege.
Yeah. My name Kimani.
Kimani. Okay, Shege and Kimani. All right, Shege.
Yeah, so let me tell you that.
Yeah.
You call him what?
Who?
The guy? Pussy?
No. Not pussy, but puss. Puss. Okay. No. It's Puss and Dog Bite, right? And then there are three women who are of no use in the bed with their men.
They will leave.
They will talk to Frida. They'll talk to Frida, right? Because one is Java Mare, one is CBS, and one is Pretty Punchy. So you don't want to deal with the woman, okay? No, okay. All right then. So
Mr. Dog Bite.
Dog Bite and Puss.
And the Puss.
Just Puss. Yeah. Don't further.
My name
don't
is
go further. Yeah.
And your brother here is telling me you have a problem with Ndukunduku.
Yes.
You, when you come to Kenya,
yes,
the problem of Dukuduku
yes,
is over.
Right. Because you're going to make them, give them the right thing for drink to build up back them body and structure. Real African
way.
Organic way, yes. Yeah. So it's going to be a Dukuduku savior. Yeah, Duku vacation.
It's going to be a Duku savior.
A Duku savior. Yeah, the Duku savior.
Everything here. Even the road test will be here in Kenya.
Even the what?
The testing.
Even the testing.
The testing.
Everything.
The testing.
Yeah.
Oh, so they will get some Duku here to see if it works. Okay. Everything. Okay. All right then. Okay. So.
Don't give him good price.
No, I need good price. Yeah. What's that?
If you are Muzungu, if you are Muzungu.
I'm not Muzungu, right?
We would have asked for 20,000.
20,000 if I was Muzungu.
And I know you'll not be happy. And I want you to go happy. Yeah. You go a happy man.
Huh?
You go a happy man. So that to bring...
no, you got to go way lower than that because I'm nowhere near Muzungu. I'm not white, right?
No white.
I'm not white, yeah. No. Okay. So I'm not Muzungu. Yeah, so...
15,000.
15,000?
Yeah.
That's a very good price.
Huh?
That's a very good price.
Of course you're going to say that. You're partners. Right? No.
Because, you know, this is handmade.
Yeah. No. Okay. Yeah. And then the other blue one now, with the Kikuyu, because that is Maasai.
The Muratina.
No. The ladies.
The ladies. Oh,
the ladies. The Muratina is nice, but I'm into the ladies.
Ah.
Yeah.
So for both of them,
for
both of them, this one you give us 7, and this one you give us 15. Is that okay?
7 and 15. I tell you what, I'm going to the machine and I'm going to take out 20 and come back and take both of them.
That's 2,000. You make 22.
Huh?
22.
What?
22,000.
No. You said that's 7 and 15, so I'm saying just make it 20.
Oh, this kind.
Okay, all right.
Or you can pay with the kid.
I could what?
You can pay with the card.
I can pay my card?
Yeah.
Oh, you have a machine?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Then I'll pay with my card. All right. But you have to make sure it's 20, though.
It's 20. You win.
I'll see, right? Okay.
Do you want to run the Kikuyu?
If I want to run the what?
Kikuyu language. Kenyan language.
Yes, I do.
You want?
Yeah.
Come tomorrow, I teach you.
Wait, no, I leave for New York tomorrow. But how would I learn it, though? How would you teach? You will show me. No, I do want to learn. I love languages.
Let me teach you the greetings.
Yes.
Because you are my big brother,
Yes.
I say, Wakiawa.
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 Okay?
Because for somebody what you show respect to.
Yeah.
Yeah, Wakiawa.
Yeah, Wakiawa.
Wakiawa.
Yeah. You say, Wakiaio.
Say that again?
Wakiaio.
Wakiaio.
Yeah.
Wakiaio.
Yeah, that's the greeting. Tradition.
Yes.
Long time ago.
Yes.
But for today, you say Wemwega.
Emwega.
Wemwega.
Wemwega.
Yeah.
So you have confirmed
You
the
say
pictures?
Nikoega.
Wait. Let me see.
Yeah, both of them, eh?
Okay.
Yeah. You want to wrap them for you very nicely.
Okay. Yeah. All right, then wrap
So
him.
him is Mijikenda.
You're Mijikenda?
Yeah, Michigan.
It's called Uda.
Uda?
Uda.
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 Uda, because you're Mijikenda.
Yeah.
So your people are from the coast originally?
Coast region.
The coastal region? Okay. I learned that Sunday, Mijikenda from the coastal region.
Which language?
Huh?
Which language? Mijikenda, Kenda is 9.
9, right.
Kenda is 9 languages. So there are 9 communities.
I don't know. I just learned of all of them. I just learned that all of them was on the entire coastline.
Taita, you are?
I'm Giriama.
No,
Giriama.
he's not Taita.
Yes.
He's Mijikenda. I never said Taita.
But he said Mijikenda has
Mijikenda.
9. So he's Giriama.
I'm Giriama.
Yeah, Giriama in the Mijikenda.
Yeah.
But like the Taita is different from the Mijikenda, though.
No, it's
Taita is one of the. It's one of the Mijikenda.
Yeah.
you know, Mijikenda means 9 communities.
9 communities, right? Kenda community.
They have similarity of language,
Right.
culture, like
Right.
So there are 9.
9.
So there's Taita, there is Giriama, there is Duruma, there is
Wait, there's Taita, Giriama, and what?
there is
Wadigo,
Wachoni,
Wachoni,
Waduruma.
Waduruma.
Yeah. We have others like I don't know all of them.
That's okay. That's okay.
I just got up. They are 9.
Okay. But no. I know. Yeah, they told me that they were 9.
Those are okay, eh?
Yes,
You
please.
can put the card here.
Okay. I'm gonna get those framed when I go.
Yeah, you can use them.
Yeah. All right. Let me make sure. Oh no, that's not the right card. Okay, it's this one.
See?
Wait, 1 second. So, 20,000 Kenyan shilling.
Yeah.
Kes. Okay. All right.
This is your receipt.
Oh, wait a second. Let me just put this in my wallet because I've been known to be a little bit careless.
Okay.
And I lose things all the time.
Take your time. There's no hurry in Africa.
Right. There's no hurry in Africa.
Yeah. You know, we say in America, New York, life is very fast. When you see the movie, people are just
You know
walking.
what is interesting that you said that? Because it's been very frustrating to me when I go someplace and order food and they're in no hurry.
Yeah, there's no hurry.
And I was getting a little bit frustrated, and then after the third day, I said to myself, calm down, just relax.
That's why people come to holiday in Africa.
Right. Yeah, so now I go on there. I know it's going to take about a half an hour before I get my food.
Yeah.
So the expectation has changed.
Yeah.
And because I changed my expectation and adapted to what is going on here, then I'm not stressful anymore when I order, because I know that it's going to come in about a half hour to 40 minutes.
So Africa has taught you to relax.
Huh?
So Kenya has taught you to relax.
32 what?
To relax.
Taught me to relax,
Yeah,
yes.
that's part of the reason of coming to holiday in Africa, because you learn to relax.
You learn to relax.
You learn
Interesting.
Your body becomes at ease.
At ease. At ease.
Yeah, because sometimes life becomes very
yes,
fast. And
in America you're moving fast.
You forget why you are here. You're here to enjoy the now.
Right.
To enjoy the now.
You're here to enjoy the now.
Yeah, because you move very fast. You're already 70 years, 80 years, you die.
You die, right.
And you leave your kids eating your money.
You know, that's a good point. Though.
Yeah.
It's a very good point.
So you have to relax.
And it's a problem in the United States.
Yeah. You have to learn how to relax.
Yeah, people just get caught up in the system and...
you never know when you get old, when time is up.
Right.
So you have to be responsible to your wife and kids.
Yes.
But at the same time, as you are being a husband.
Yeah.
And being a father.
Yeah.
Also have to be cool.
Be cool. Yeah.
With yourself.
Be cool
and
with
enjoy,
yourself.
And enjoy the moment.
Right.
Yeah, you enjoy the moment.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a good point. Yeah. It's a good point. Yeah. All right.
So we really appreciate you. I hope dog bite and the other guy.
Yeah, dog bite and puss.
And puss.
Yeah. Yeah, dog bite and puss.
We'll take care of them.
Yes, they're dead because they need take care. They need help. Yeah, they need help. Dog bite and puss.
It's very bad for them to die.
Did you just what you call puss?
Huh?
You say it's very bad for them to what?
It's very bad for them.
Yeah.
To die without enjoying duku duku.
Without enjoying some good duku duku. Right. Some good duku duku. What do we have here now?
US, Kenya.
Okay. Okay.
After self-service.
After who?
You know, I wanted to show you this one. Maybe you might like to have a Kenyan and US bracelet. This is like this one.
Oh, no. I'm good.
So we really appreciate it, my brother.
Yeah, no. And listen, man, great doing business with you. And thank you for taking the time. Thank you for taking the time.
Are you a celeb?
Thank you for taking the time to talk.
Are you a celeb or something?
Am I a what?
Celebrity.
A celebrity?
Nah.
Yeah?
Nah. No, I'm not.
You're not?
I'm not. Well, I don't consider myself a celebrity.
What do you do for a living?
Huh?
What do you do?
I'm an anthropologist. I study cultures.
Ah.
And I also do other things. I'm a broadcaster too. And, yeah.
Which station?
Oh no! I just do my thing online. Yes. Yeah. But for years I was on several radio stations and between Jamaica, Florida, and New York.
You have a very confident voice.
I have a very confident voice. Yeah. Me?
Yeah, a voice with authority.
Me, right? A voice with authority. Yes. A voice with a command authority. Yes.
Even your communication is very different.
My communication is very different. What do you mean?
Because we cannot. You see, we have known each other for so long.
And
the way we are communicating.
Yeah.
You're a people person.
You are very close.
I'm a people person. I'm a very close. No, you're right about that. Yeah, that's I have my weaknesses and strengths like anybody else, and those are.
Here we have met people from only South Korea. They have never come to this market. But everyone else from over the world.
Not South Korea, North Korea.
North Korea, sorry. North Korea, not South.
Right, North Korea there.
But everyone wants.
Yeah.
So we know how even some who don't want to say hi.
Some say hi, Jumbo.
Yeah.
Jumbo.
Yeah.
Jumbo.
Some of us say, how are you, brother? You don't know your brothers, but for you, you communicate.
Oh, right.
You are very kind.
No, yeah, I appreciate that.
Yeah?
I appreciate that.
Very kind.
I appreciate that. Because what I'm hearing from you is that it's like I have an energy that you appreciate.
Yeah,
Right.
that's why you have.
Right.
Even if it was no business, you could remain happy also.
Say that again?
Even if you didn't do any business,
Right.
we could remain happy also.
Right.
Yeah, because we are happy with the way you
Right.
communicated.
Right. No, and I feel the same because you guys are sharing knowledge and things, but you're taking the time to do it. And yeah, I know that there's a business element there, but what I'm saying, your humor and your vibe, it's not fake. It's not fake when we're talking and things like that. It's real, so I appreciate that,
I appreciate you.
I appreciate it.
So you are going tomorrow, eh?
Yeah, I'm going tomorrow. I'm leaving tomorrow.
Okay, so have a safe journey.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir. Blessings, man. Yeah, man.
What's your name again?
And from Jamaica, from all Jamaica and Jamaicans, big up yourself.
Okay, bless you.
There are people going to see you, because I'm going to. So when them come, they must come support you. What is your shop?
They come to Two Rivers.
Yeah.
For John
For
or Bernard.
John or who?
Bernard.
Ben.
You know,
John or Ben.
I'm saying the English name.
The English
because it's
name.
easier for them.
Them easier for them. So when you come Two Rivers Mall, if you want to come in Nairobi and you come new Two Rivers Mall, just make sure you ask for the MAASAI market in Two Rivers Mall. They're here every day, right? The MAASAI market. And then when you come down here, you ask for John and Ben.
Yeah.
Bernard.
Huh?
Bernard.
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 Yeah.
Bernard. John and Bernard. Yeah, John and Bernard. This is the pronunciation. John and Bernard. But at the same time, it's Reggae and Kimani.
Yeah, man.
What's your name? Remind me your name.
Huh?
You know, I'm a very slow learner.
No.
Remind me your name.
Most people, I'm more known as Ragashanti.
Ragashanti.
Ragashanti. But you could just say Raga.
Raga is better. You know, it's Raga music.
Yeah. But if you want to identify me in something, you'd have to say Ragashanti. Because there's a lot of Raga, but it's Ragashanti. All right? Yeah, man, and it's been a pleasure, my brother.
God bless you.
Yes, man. Blessings. All right?
Blessings.
Respect, man. Cool. Mijikenda. All right. Eh? Straight home now. We had enough. Trust me, we had enough.
I'm waiting for you.
We gotta leave. That was interesting and fun though. Yep, it was. All right, I'm gonna turn off this. Look a bit.